Father, ano po yung official stance ng Catholic Church on condom use as a sin?
Na ang
Venial or...
yung kasing pagiging venial o mortal, no? That is also subjective. But it is a serious matter. No, what we can say, it is about something grave.
grave sin?
So if you do it with full
Full knowledge.
knowledge at saka yung on, it will be a grave sin.
So, malaki yung possibility na pumunta sa hell pagka hindi mo kinonfess yung...
Hindi kasi alam mo naman yung pagiging sin, no? For a thing to be sin, there is the subjective element. No,
Okay.
now, generally, we're just speaking about the objective
Ah,
aspect of it, no? That in itself, that is how the Catholic Church considers
intrinsically
it.
evil.
I don't know if you can say intrinsically, but what we can say is that it is in its concept, no, connected with something that is against the teachings of the Church, which is the use of man-made, no, man-made elements for contraception.
So, may mga sinasabi yung, kunyari si Pope Ratzinger, tsaka yung mga ibang officials ng CBCP, that condoms do not work, pero they only make the problem worse.
Well, that is one of the scientific tawag dito, surveys, no? And they are based on facts, no? I mean, they have really gone into looking into the matter and they have statistics to prove it
Okay.
na talagang it's not safe.
Okay. Now, hypothetical lang po. Like, for example, yung evidence ng both sides, like yung DOH or yung double, uh, World Health Organization, and yung Catholic Church, somehow, naging pareho na yung evidence. And sinabi nung evidence, kunyari, na condoms actually work in preventing HIV, AIDS. So what if lang, no? Yun na yung naging evidence. Would it still be a bad idea for a Catholic to use condoms?
Uh, I would say it this way, but this can be argued by others, no?
Apo.
But for me, una-una, we have to see yung the use of the condom. No? Is it used halimbawa, in a way that contradicts the Catholic Church? For instance,
Apo.
kung isang prostitute
Apo.
magpapagamit siya doon sa kanyang client
Apo.
ng condom in order to prevent uh, the spread of AIDS, that will be against, the church will speak against that.
Pero what if yung husband and
Ito nga,
wife...
ito yung, actually I'm really thinking on that, na kung ang husband and wife, no, will, meron silang, ang isa ay merong AIDS o HIV, kung in order to prevent the the contamination
Of
of
the-
the other party, baka, baka. And personally, I'm inclined to say that it is allowed,
personal, not institutional, ano.
institutional.
Last question po. Meron isang bishop, I forgot his name, na nagsabi na yung mga Catholics daw na gumagamit ng condoms and hindi naniniwala sa stance ng church is half Catholic, and there is no such thing as a half Catholic. So
They are not Catholics.
ano yung opinion din niyo dito? Should they, kunyari, merong fundamental difference in beliefs with the church, let's say um, immorality of homosexual sex or yung paggamit ng condoms. Kung may mga difference in opinion, should they still call themselves Catholic or...
Uh, Nadali mo ako. That's quite difficult. No? But fundamentally kasi, uh, uh, the Catholic faith, no, is an acceptance of what we can call the basic truths, the basic realities of that religion.
Apo.
So if you accept them, like for instance the creed, then I think you are Catholic. And it just happens that on a disciplinary matter, like the use of condom, you disagree or you take the opposite, no?
Opo.
What is against the discipline of the Catholic Church. And I think you can still be considered a Catholic, pero an unerring Catholic.
Sige, thank you, Archbishop,
Oh,
for
most
your
bishop
time.
lang